The meaning of plants for rhododendron. In some cultures, the rhododendron has many meanings, including beware of excess, consolation, danger, healer of the heart, inner wisdom, self-insight, shadow self, and limits. The rhododendron is the national flower of Nepal and the state flower of Sikkim in India. The word rhododendron comes from two Greek words, rhodo for rose and dendron for tree, although rhododendrons aren't part of the rose family. A famous quote about rhododendrons is from A. Milne in his 1926 book Winnie the Pooh. He says, "Owl was telling Kanga an interesting anecdote full of long words like encyclopedia and rhododendron, to which Kanga wasn't listening." I'm sure all parents can relate to Owl. A single rhododendron planted by Victorian explorer Frederick Duquesne Godman more than 120 years ago at the South Lodge Hotel in Horsham, Sussex, now measures 115 feet wide, 75 feet deep and 40 feet high, and attracts visitors from all over the world to see this massive rhododendron. If you enjoyed this short video about rhododendrons, why not check out the Meaning of Plants playlist on screen now. Thanks for watching.